Well, hey everybody, here go our puppies. These are Mommy Curly's and Mommy Casey's. Mommy's Casey's are 7 weeks old today. Just a quick look. This is our cheat sheet kind of thing. Girls, boys, Casey's boys, Casey's girls. Yeah. What we had to put down, we had to make room. How many puppies up in here? 14. 14 pups. Let me see if I can pick them out. I'm gonna start with that little beast out of Casey's litter. Yeah, you. I know you. Yeah, you. Good eating. Yeah, good eating. How about you there, Blue? Yeah, good eating. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna wait for it to get a little softer. Yeah, smart dog. Smart dog. Smart dog. Who we got over here? Is that you? Here you, Miss Green. I'm sure if it's a miss or not. I ain't looking at my cheat sheet. Yeah? What? How about you? You look like you must be a purple. Are you a purple or a yellow? You're a yellow. Yellow, you're a beast. You're a beast. Yeah, you are. And you? Yeah, and you? That's black. Hi, black. Yeah, hi. You're a beast too. Yeah, you got good eating? Good eating? Good eating, little boy? Yeah? How about y'all puppies? Yeah? Y'all still 4 weeks old. Yeah, this is fresh for you. This is fresh. Like, it's okay, but where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? All right, Mommy will be in here soon. You were chowing down this, y'all. Wouldn't it be easier to chow down out of this bowl, though? Huh? Wouldn't it? Oh, watch out now. Watch out. Boy, you gotta step lightly around here. You're a pretty big beast, too. Yeah, you're a pretty big beast, too. Yeah, you are. Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to step on your foot. Yeah, hi. Hi there, Mr. Red Spot. Yeah, Miss Red Spot. I don't remember. Yeah, there's some small puppies in here. Yeah, yellow is small. Yeah, and there's some beasties, too. Look at you. Look at you there, purple. Huh? Curly's purple. Yeah. Yeah. Curly's red spot. There's something I can do for you. Huh? That's inappropriate touching. That's inappropriate. What? You give me a little bit longer there, Blue, and you'll be flopping. Yeah, you don't put your mouth on me. No, you don't. Putting your mouth on me not allowed. Yeah? No? No? How about y'all? Did I hear somebody bark? Was that you, Blue? Did you bark at me? I'm looking at the dog and not the camera. Did you bark at me? Huh? Was that you? Yeah. Happy Tails. Happy Tails. Happy Tails. Yeah. Happy Tails there. Who are you again? Are you black? Did I say you were black? Huh? Are you black with a little ribbon? Is that what it is? I think. I don't know. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's black. Yeah, there you go. Puppies. Puppies. Pups. Yeah, it's a little blustery out there today, pups. Otherwise, I'd have put you out on that porch because it's a bright, sunny day. But man, with that wind chill, I have my long johns on out there. Yeah, but tomorrow it's gonna be 81, and I know Casey puppies, them 7-week-old puppies. You ready? Are you ready to hit the porch? Boss, you know we are. You know we are. Yeah. How about you? How about you? I want to hit the porch. I want to hit the porch too. Yellow with a ribbon. Yeah. Purple. Yeah. Yeah. Beasties? Yeah. Plain for me to see at least that right there, that's green ribbon. Yeah. And you, yeah, I see you. Yeah. And yellow ribbon. And these are the beast Curly's litters. And I'd see that green ribbon dog right there. Yeah. Well, I see why you're big, because you ain't ashamed to get your fill and then some, are you? And, I don't know, who's this, Blue? Blue, you ain't far behind. Can I get a picture of you? Blue, you ain't far behind. Yeah. All right. If there's something that I can do for you. All right, I don't think so. Okay, well anyhow. Oh, there they are. Quite a herd of Airedales. Quite a herd. Sort of proud of them. Yeah. Sort of proud of them. Is anybody making eye contact? Pup, pup. Puppy, that's a good eye contact. Pup, pup. Alright, well, feed them up. They'll be, yeah, is that when the eating get good? Yeah. When you get down to the mush mush. All right, now I'm combining water and food. I'm not giving them separate water. Yeah. Puppies. Wait, what? What? I gotta go potty. Yeah, I gotta go potty. All right, well, there'll be some pottying going on, folks. All right, this is running on. Oh my goodness. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.